where do we go from these guys? I don't think she murdered. That was the firm statement from Henry Okello Oryem regarding the case of Uganda national Job Vicky, who is facing murder allegations in Syria over the death of our employer, Huda Sharawi. Speaking amid rising public concern and widespread social media speculation, Okello Oryem dismissed claims that Ajok confessed to the crime. We don't believe allegation that she did confess. We think that there is more to this story than meets the eye. He said the minister confirmed that the government of Uganda is using diplomatic channels to ensure Jok receives justice. Uganda does not have a resident embassy in Damascus, but its mission accredited to Syria operates through Egypt. According to Oryem, Kampala has engaged its mission in Cairo to follow up the matter closely with Syrian authorities. The government of Uganda is doing everything possible through our mission accredited to Damascus to ensure that she gets full justice and, if possible, released. He stated. He added that he had personally attempted to contact the Syrian Minister of Foreign Affairs and had also asked Egypt's Foreign Affairs Minister to intervene and seek Ajok's immediate release. Okello Oryem further appealed to the Syrian government for clemency and amnesty, warning against any action such as execution or beheading, which had been widely rumored online. We are very sure, based on what she has told us, that she is innocent and did not cause the death of her employer. He said he urged Syrian authorities to conduct deeper investigations before reaching any final decision.
And that stories, that allegations that she did confess. The government of Uganda is doing everything possible through our mission accredited to Damascus, our mission in Egypt accredited to Damascus, to ensure that she gets a full justice and, if possible, released. We don't believe that Vicky Ajok did murder her employer. We don't believe the allegations that she did confess. We think that there is more to this story than the eyes or the ears says so. So we call upon the government of Syria to have clemency and amnesty and forgive Ajok Vicky if for whatever crimes they allege against her, because we are very sure, based on what she's told us, that she's innocent and did not cause the death or the other lady to lose her life. We think that the government of Syria should investigate more of this case, and under those circumstances should they take advantage of this lady and execute her or behead her, as the story goes. I have made an attempt. I have personally tried to ring the Syrian Minister of Foreign Affairs to seek her release. I've asked the Egyptian Minister of Foreign Affairs to seek for her immediate release. So I hope that the Syrians will listen to the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Egypt and release Ajok ladies. Stories
that is it from the big man himself. The minister's remarks have triggered mixed reactions across Uganda. Some citizens have welcomed the government's active diplomatic engagement, saying it demonstrates responsibility toward Ugandans working abroad. Others have called for patience, emphasizing that the matter is before Syrian courts and should follow due legal process. But their number are few. Human rights advocates have also reminded the public to avoid spreading unverified reports, especially claims about death sentences or executions. Legal experts note that diplomatic intervention does not replace judicial processes, but can help ensure fair treatment and consular access. The case has once again highlighted the vulnerability of Ugandan migrant workers in the Middle East and renewed calls for stronger labor protections, better recruitment oversight, and bilateral agreements safeguarding workers' rights. For now, the government maintains its position. It does not believe Ajok Viki committed murder, and it is pushing diplomatically to ensure justice, fairness, and if possible, our freedom.